Go, Kenny, go. Good, get the ball. Bring it back over here, Kenny. Come back over here. Good, good, good. Look at my boy dribble. Woo! Woo, that's good, Kenny. Look at mama's boy dribble the ball. Go. Go shoot a hoop.
Getting started early?
I sure hope so.
All right.
Well, get the ball. No, the ball, not the stick. The ball, not the stick. Not the stick, Kenna. Not the stick. The ball. Okay, we're going to shut the video down now. It became stick time. You going to get the ball? You going to get the ball? The ball? The ball, Cannon? Cannon, the ball? You gonna get the ball? Okay, that's all.